In the Windows search bar, type partitions. An app will appear called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on the app to run Disk Management Console. Now delete the volume first. Right-click on the desired volume and click on the Delete Volume option. Click on Yes and it will delete the volume completely. Now right-click on the C drive and choose to extend volume option. Now click on the Next button. Click on Next. Finally, click on the Finish button to extend your C drive space. As you can see, C drive space is now increased. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.